You are in the middle of an important video call, enjoying your favorite movie, or maybe just catching up with some friends on a VOIP. Everything seems perfect until, bam, the power goes out. Darkness surrounds you, and all your devices shut down, except for one miraculous exception. But wait, what's this? Your phone and laptop are still shining brightly. Thanks to TechCONNECT, innovative solution to load shedding. Introducing the TechCONNECT Mini UPS, a lifesaver in time of load shedding. With every installation, provide you the Mini UPS absolutely free. That's right, where other providers might leave you in the dark, at TechCONNECT, we ensure that you stay connected. Here's the kicker. While other companies charges you exorbitant prices for such a crucial service, we believe in making it affordable for everyone. We subsidize the installation cost by a whopping 2,000 Rand. So you will only pay 2,500. Well, who else offers such an incredible value? Only TechCONNECT. So the next time load shedding strikes, don't panic. With TechCONNECT, you can keep your videos crystal clear, your VOIP uninterrupted, and your movies streaming smooth as silk. Because at TechCONNECT, we don't just say it, we live it. So bring it on, load shedding. Say goodbye to load shedding interruption. Choose TechCONNECT today, or choose TechCONNECT today. Don't forget, click subscribe and ring the bell. Visit ineedinternet.co.za to find out more of our offerings. And also visit TechCONNECT.Africa to find out more about us and our family.